Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia. A quick recipe today, we're going to be making Masala Coke. So during the holidays, I've been experimenting with a few ingredients, and this recipe I actually came across on YouTube, but I've improvised a little to suit my palate. So let's get started. Start by adding in about a quarter glass of ice. So I've got some cubed ice. Then I'm going to add in a slice of lemon, a pinch of chopped mint leaves. Then I'm going to add in some crushed black pepper, so that's also a pinch of cumin powder, which is jeera powder, and a pinch of chaat masala. And now for the main ingredient, which is Coke. So this is about 250 ml. And that's our Masala Coke ready. So doing a quick taste test, let's see what this tastes like. It's actually quite refreshing. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section down below if you liked it.